New York Cheesecake. Who says you can't have your cake in keto too? Only 5 carbs. New York Cheesecake. Gluten-free, sugar-free, and only 5 carbs per serving. 2 cups of sifted almond flour. 1/3 cup of softened butter. 1/4 cup of powdered erythritol. 1 teaspoon of real vanilla. And we just mix it up. You can see that I've mixed the base up into a crumbly mixture. Take a springform pan. What I've done is I've added some little pieces of parchment paper around the side. I've had too many that have stuck in the past, so this is the best way that I've found, so that it's just perfect when it comes out. I'm going to take this mixture, put it into the bottom, and then I just push it down with a spatula, make it flat all across the bottom. There, you can see how I've got it nice and flat. I've got a nice clean grill today. I'm going to cook 350 degrees, so I'm preheated 350. I'm going to go for about 15 minutes till it's like a light golden brown. The almond flour crust went for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. You can see how nice and golden brown it is. 4 blocks of cream cheese, 8-ounce blocks. 3 eggs. 1 1/3 cups of powdered erythritol. A tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. A teaspoon of real vanilla. And we're just going to mix this up. Okay, that took about 2 minutes with the softened cream cheese into a nice silky consistency. You can see from the shot above. See what that looks like? We're going to put some chocolate on the crust now. Now I'm going to scoop the mixture in. There we go. You can see how nice and smooth that is now on the top. If you like, you can decorate the top with chocolate too. Okay, so I just did a little pattern on the top. 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Well, this New York cheesecake smells fantastic. Let's take a look. Yeah, it looks really good. It went 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Look at that. That just came out just now. And it started to brown a little bit. So you want to go 35 to 40 minutes. What I'm going to do now is let this cool, probably overnight, and then we'll cut it tomorrow. Well, there's the New York cheesecake up here. You can see me opening it up, cutting it, and taking some pictures, and it worked out really well. Looks like we can have our cake in keto too. This is what it looks like. Isn't that delicious? You see that? Thanks for watching.